How much should you actually spend on a top-load washing machine? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Huang Tools Washer Door Prop. The Huang Tools Washer Door Prop caught my eye right away because it's such a simple solution to a sneaky problem we all face: odors from moisture when the washer door is closed. Priced at just $8.99, this little tool is worth a serious look if you want to keep your washer smelling fresh. This magnetic door prop keeps your washing machine door ajar, allowing air circulation to prevent mold and mildew. With a strong 2.6-inch magnetic base, it firmly sticks to metal surfaces, ensuring your washer doesn't get damp. Plus, it's adjustable, so you can position it just the way you like. Given that over 3,000 units were sold last month, it seems like others are finding value in it too. Now, some people complained about the fit not working with non-magnetic washers. Here's the thing though, if you've got a compatible model, this isn't just a nice to have, it's a must for maintaining a clean washer. This is perfect for you if you own a front-load washer and want to avoid odors. Skip this one if you have a stainless steel or plastic washer, since it won't stick. For under $10, it's a small investment for big relief. Now, if the door prop's compatibility issue worries you, the next one on my list tackles a different concern directly related to washer stability.
Product number 2, Empire of Electronics Anti-Vibration Pads. The Empire of Electronics anti-vibration pads are designed to tackle a common annoyance: loud, shaky washing machines. Priced at $25, this product stood out because it promises peace and quiet while doing laundry. These rubber pads fit on washer feet up to 1.75 inches, providing a strong grip that keeps your machines anchored during cycles. They also help absorb noise, which is perfect if you live in an apartment. Plus, they come with a bubble level to help you perfectly level your machine so it doesn't walk across the floor during a spin cycle. It's sold over 1,000 times this past month, showing that many people are looking for a solution to noisy laundry. However, some users found that they didn't fit well on larger washer feet. Here's the thing though, if your washer fits, these pads can genuinely restore peace and quiet in your home, making laundry time a lot less annoying. This is perfect for you if you have a standard size washing machine and want to minimize noise. Skip this if your washer feet are larger than 1.75 inches, it won't work for you. At $25, it's a great value for a quieter laundry experience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for protecting your washer from the elements.
Product number 3, Blue Star's Washing Machine Cover. The Blue Star's washing machine cover offers essential outdoor protection for your top-load washer. At $27.99, I was impressed with its quality and thoughtful design, especially for anyone worried about weather damage. Made from heavy-duty polyester fabric, this cover is waterproof and protects against dust, water, and harmful UV rays that can cause rust. It features easy install zippers and Velcro closures, ensuring it fits snugly without hassle. If you live in an area with harsh weather, this cover can extend your washer's lifespan significantly. With over 100 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among cautious homeowners. Some folks mentioned that the fit wasn't perfect for all brands. Here's the thing though, if you measure your machine correctly and it fits, this cover is a fantastic way to keep your washer looking new for years to come. This is perfect for you if you want to safeguard your washer from the elements. Skip this if you have a non-standard size machine though, as it won't work. For $27.99, it's a solid investment for your appliance's longevity. Now, if outdoor protection wasn't your main concern, let's switch gears to something compact and portable for those on the go.
Product number 4, Nixod Portable Washing Machine. The Nixod Portable Washing Machine is a game changer for anyone living in tight spaces. At $59.99, it caught my attention immediately with its compact design and convenience. This mini washing machine weighs only 4.6 pounds and can handle a load of up to 20 liters, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, or travel. It's designed to wash smaller items like underwear and baby clothes, and even has a spin basket for drying. The foldable design makes it super easy to store. Given that it's sold over 100 units recently, it seems to be hitting the mark for those needing a portable option. However, some users found it may take longer for larger loads. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for small items, it works like a charm and saves you from hauling laundry to a laundromat. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space and need a practical washing solution. Skip this if you plan to wash large loads regularly, as it's not designed for that. At under $60, it's a great compact solution. And if you're looking for something even bigger and more powerful, wait until you hear about the next product.
Product number 5, Costway Portable Washing Machine. The Costway Portable Washing Machine offers a larger capacity for those needing more laundry power. Priced at $149.99, this twin tub washer caught my eye for its convenience and efficiency. With a capacity of 26 pounds, you can wash and spin dry clothes simultaneously, making it incredibly efficient for busy households. It features a timer function with settings for gentle and normal cycles, and the built-in drain pump makes it easy to handle dirty water. This washer has quickly become popular, with over 100 units sold recently, indicating a solid demand for portable solutions. But some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky for small spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have the room and need to wash for a larger family, this machine offers a lot of flexibility and saves time on laundry days. This is perfect for you if you have a larger household or need to wash items like sheets frequently. Skip this if you have extremely limited space, as it may not fit. At $149.99, it's a worthwhile investment for a powerful portable machine.
We've looked at the Huang Tools washer door prop for odor prevention, the Empire of Electronics anti-vibration pods for noise control, the Blue Stars cover for outdoor protection, the Nixod portable washing machine for on-the-go cleaning, and the Costway model for larger capacities. Each product has its strengths depending on your needs, so choose what fits your lifestyle best.